In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Api-ms-win-score-scaling-l1-1-0.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Open a browser. Simply search for Visual C++ Redistributable. Hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and know your system type first. So go to the Windows search bar, type System Info. Click on it. We're 64-bit. So click on the download link corresponding to that. Click on the folder icon. And then double click. So simply click on the install button to install it, but if you have already installed it, click on repair. Now once done, close this and then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Then go to the Windows search bar again, type CMD, click run as administrator, type SFC space / scan now and hit enter. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be done. This will fix for any system corrupted files. And once done, type exit in the command prompt window and then do not forget to restart. Consider also to update your Windows. So click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update. Click on check for updates. Okay. And make sure to update your Windows latest version because it comes with the necessary files for our machine. And then that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.